In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link on QuickBooks Online. This is incredibly useful for small business owners and freelancers who need a simple and efficient way to get paid for their services. Let's dive right into the process so you can start sending those payment links out in no time. First, we'll need to navigate to QuickBooks, so go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks URL, or simply head over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't done so already. This will bring you to the home page, which is your command center for all activities related to managing your finances. Now that you're logged in, look for the section labeled All Sales on the left-hand menu. Clicking on this option allows you to view all of your sales transactions in one place. You'll notice a range of actions you can take regarding invoices, payments, and other sales activities. It's an excellent feature to keep your sales organized and easy to manage. With the All Sales page open, your next move is to find the drop-down box. This can typically be located somewhere on the page that presents you with several options, allowing you to perform different tasks related to sales and invoicing. Click on the drop-down box. This will reveal a list of actions you can take, each designed to facilitate your sales process more smoothly. Among the options available, you should see something labeled Share Invoice Link. Click on this option. By doing so, you are essentially creating a direct payment link that you can share with your clients. This is an efficient way to ensure that your clients receive the invoice promptly and can pay you directly through the link. Creating a payment link takes just a few seconds and can make a huge difference in the ease and speed with which you get paid. Sharing this link is simple too. Once you have clicked on the Share Invoice Link option, QuickBooks provides you with a shareable link. You can send this to your customers via email, or you can choose to share it through the other means, like a message or a chat service, depending on what works best for your business communication style. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've created a payment link on QuickBooks Online that you can use to streamline the invoicing process. This not only saves time, but also ensures prompt payments, thus improving your cash flow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your payments more efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical QuickBooks tips.